Johnny, where are you going, bud?
Johnny, what are you doing? Oh. Is there a lot of snow out here? Are you ready to scoop some?
I guess they can find some.
Johnny, look at Mommy.
Johnny, look at Daddy. This is covered in snow. We can't get in there. Is it covered in snow?
Yes.
Is there too much snow? Daddy will have to move it, huh?
Is Daddy gonna have to shovel the snow?
Yeah.
Sounds like a good plan.
Johnny, is there a lot of snow out there or a little bit of snow?
A lot of snow?
Yeah.
Is it as tall as Johnny?
And you do have a full sun and got load.
I have to get rid of all the snow before the sunshine comes out?
Yeah, sunlight comes out.
Yep. Okay. Okay, Johnny, well...